I'm renowned for my little bags. I like little things, little bags. Look, little bag. This is my new one. Little, so we can fit everything in. I mean, I've already shown you my little backpack, and this is the bag I carry with me everywhere. See, I'm telling you, I like little bags. So, if I'm going to go somewhere and I want everything to fit in it, obviously I need to take Tequila with me. And what if I just don't want a flask? What if I want the real deal? Come on. Holy gangu. No, I mean, granted, it does, you know, not do up, but just go from my little wander to the shops, pop the lid off. No one would even know, right? No one would even know. Hang on a second. Although I don't want it to spill out because this is the most expensive tequila, but wait a second. What if I did it like that? And then you can't see it as much. Mummy's trying to put tequila in her bag. Great role model here.